Hey guys, I'm Jennifer Bands and welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're going to be making my savory crepe filling. It is chicken Florentine. It's just like that delicious chicken Florentine crepes that you get at IHOP, or that I would love to get at IHOP. But of course it doesn't have all of that, carbs and stuff that we don't want. So it's a super simple recipe and you're going to love it. So let's get started. So I've already got some avocado oil cooking or like heating in this pan. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit. I'm gonna add in my onions. Those should cook up fast. And I'm gonna add in some mushrooms. So we're gonna cook this until our onions are cooked through. And since I used frozen onions, one of my favorite ingredients, these should take no time at all. I'm also going to season with a little salt. We don't want to over season right now because we're going to use chicken broth and that's going to be salty. Or you could choose to use low sodium chicken broth, but I never do. Put some pepper in here. Okay, let's let these cook. These mushrooms are just about cooked and they are smelling so amazing. I don't know if there's a better smell than mushrooms and onions cooking. I just don't think there is. Maybe chocolate cake cooking. This is probably a close second. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add in this chicken here. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs and we dice them up into bite-sized pieces. So we're just gonna cook these through. Season with a little more salt. So this savory crepe filling is enough for 4 people. It will fill like 8, good sized crepes about like this. And if you want a delicious keto-friendly crepe recipe, I'll link to that in the description below. And actually, I'll put the recipe down there. You don't have to click the link, only if you want to print the recipe. But I just posted a keto-friendly crepe recipe. It is super easy. It only uses 4 ingredients. And it's really easy and it's really delicious. And you can make it sweet or savory. Okay, our chicken is cooked through. So now I'm going to add in the spinach. This is frozen spinach. So we're just gonna stir this around and let it thaw. We don't even have to thaw it beforehand. We just put it in our skillet and let the skillet thaw it for us. It's just, one of those amazing things with frozen vegetables that I love so much. Okay, we've got our chicken. Our chicken is cooked and our spinach is wilted. Can't talk. So now I'm going to add in some chicken broth and some heavy cream. I'm also going to add in some xanthan gum. It's going to help bring this all together. It's not much, it's only 1/4 teaspoon, but it's really going to help bring this all together. So now we're going to bring this to a boil and let the xanthan gum do its job, and this will be ready to go. Okay, this is all ready, and how good does that look? It looks amazing. So let me stir it up and give it a taste. See if it needs any seasoning. Hot. It's perfectly seasoned. Good, good, good. So if you're not in the mood for crepes, you could add this on top of some cauliflower rice. That would be really good as well. And for the full recipe, you can go to the description down below. I'll have the full recipe down there. I'll also have a link to this recipe, the printable recipe, and to the crepes. So I hope you love it, and let me know how much you love it in the comments, and I will see you guys later. Bye.